We are going to try and get to
the Aqua Duck at night time.
At night time. Come and join us.
I'm dizzy.
You're Lacey, not dizzy.
I am dizzy though.
Is it running?
Nope, there is.
Is there water?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. You should be okay then.
It's on. I think it's on. It's on.
Okay, it's on?
It's on.
The aqueduct at night. Okay, thank you. I can hear him go.
I'm stressed out. Stop pulling it! Let's stop!
Thank you. We gotta walk on. You're gonna close your eyes.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm scared.
Bye. Button. Yeah, thank you. Ready? Hold on tight. Wedge it, break. Woo! What a ride! Woo! Woohoo! Which one?
Should we go for the shallow? Yeah. Can we find the shallow to get ready?
Go on then.
Very nice.
It's a Mickey.
Listen, what? I have a little bit of news. It's just this.
Hello.
Brings
Got
with
some
it.
steps.
Just here.
Hello.
Nice. Now put it in this.
Yeah, I was going to try this one.
Yes.
Nice and quiet, isn't it? Everyone's at lunch.
With the crazy people.
We just did that.
Look at my curve. We're sticking out with one of my balls.
And the episode is coming to dinner.
I'm going to walk to the stairs.
I shall send word straight for you.
King and Queen celebrated tonight. They have invited both of us to the castle. His parents? It's just they don't want me in Ulster. Why on earth?
Daddy, you're on your tippy toes, aren't you?
Oh, I am, yeah.
Lily? Lily?
No, you're still getting my hair wet.
No, like that.
Your nails, okay? We're all in the water. It's all about us.
I'm on my toes.
There. Cheerio.
Where are you going?
5 minutes. 5 minutes. 5 minutes.
You staying for the pool places?
Yeah. We gotta go watch Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse is doing a show to say, see you later.
Where is it?
20 minutes later.
That's it.
Humans are hilarious.
I did see it, yeah.
I don't think it'll be that well on camera.
Yeah.
Is it still very good?
Yeah. Look good.
I like, watch this. Watch me. Ready, Dad?
Yeah.
Dad, watch.
It's so very
I'm gonna practice. I told you I could backstrip, but I know you don't think I can front stroke.
Okay, let's head back to the room. Bye, Dream.
Let's not forget.
Bye, Paul. Oh, it's close. That's good timing, wasn't it? Aqua Duck done. Swimming at night done.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Subscribe our channel. Turn on our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up. Bam! Bye guys. Bye guys.